Hello, cruisers! Choosing the perfect Caribbean cruise is like selecting a tailor-made dream. Whether you are seeking family fun or a romantic getaway, I am Jennifer Olson and I'm here to guide you through the options. Let's set sail and find your ideal Caribbean experience here with Love Your Adventure. Let's begin. For families, Caribbean cruises offer endless fun. Kids clubs, water parks, and exciting activities keep children entertained while parents can relax. Looking for a cruise line with family-friendly amenities and spacious accommodations for everyone to enjoy is a piece of cake. The Caribbean's allure for couples. Opt for cruises that offer private dinners, spa treatments, or secluded beaches. Enjoy breathtaking sunsets, moonlit strolls, and intimate moments that make your romantic escape truly special. Dining is a highlight. Family-friendly cruises offer diverse menus with options for all tastes. Romantic cruises often feature gourmet experiences with candlelit dinners and wine pairings. Savor the flavor of the Caribbean together. The Caribbean's adventure beckons. Family cruises include excursions suitable for all ages, like beach days and cultural tours. Romantic getaways, on the other hand, offer intimate activities like snorkeling in secluded coves or beachfront picnics. Whether it's thrilling shows for families or serene spa days for couples, Caribbean cruises offer a blend of entertainment and relaxation. Choose your cruise based on your desired mix. So cruisers, are you ready to embark on your Caribbean adventure? Click the link below to request your complete Caribbean cruise packing list tailored to your family or a romantic getaway. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic travel tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our next exciting journey. Until then, may your cruise be filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. Bon voyage, and don't forget to love your adventure.